How to fix no connection error in WhatsApp PC. This tutorial shows you how to resolve WhatsApp desktop connection issues on your Windows computer. First, check your internet connection by opening any web browser. Make sure your PC is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet properly. Next, close WhatsApp desktop completely. Right-click on the WhatsApp icon in the taskbar and select Quit. Following that, click on the Start menu at the bottom left. Type WhatsApp in the search bar. Now, right-click on WhatsApp desktop and select Run as Administrator. WhatsApp will open with elevated permissions, which can resolve connection issues. Try reconnecting to see if the error is fixed. Alternatively, if the issue persists, you may need to clear WhatsApp's cache. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type %app data and press Enter. The app data folder will open in File Explorer. Afterwards, look for the WhatsApp folder in the list. Right-click on the WhatsApp folder and select Delete. This removes cache data that may be causing connection problems. Now, reinstall WhatsApp Desktop fresh. Open your web browser and go to whatsapp.com/download. Click on Download for Windows to get the latest installer. Once downloaded, run the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open WhatsApp Desktop and scan the QR code with your phone. Your WhatsApp Desktop should now connect without errors. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix no connection error in WhatsApp PC, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.